Hello everyone. So in this lesson, we'll be learning how we can install R and R Studio, and we'll be also learning about what these two things are. So the first process will be you'll be going to rproject.org, then click on download R. So now you'll be finding many mirror links out here. Everyone will almost work, but you can just click on any of it. Let's say we'll click on this one. And as per your system, Windows, you have Apple, you have Linux, Ubuntu, you can just download it. I have Windows, so I'll be clicking on this window, and here install R for the first time. After clicking on it, you'll be getting another page where you have to click on the first one, 32-bit or 64-bit, download R 4.1.0 for Windows. After you click on it, you'll be downloading it. I've already downloaded it, so I'll be just installing that. Here it is. I'll be clicking on open. You have to click OK. Next is the default location. Next, it's fine. Next, accept defaults. Next, and then you can just create a desktop shortcut if you want. Next. Okay, so in this time I'll be telling you about R as a whole. So R is basically a programming language which is available for free. It is used for statistical computing and graphics, and it is supported by R Foundation for Statistical Computing. It's a very widely used data analytics software. So many statisticians and data miners use it for various analytics purpose. So as you can see, it's done. I'll click on finish, and that's it. So next process coming to R Studio, right? So this is the R Studio. You have to go to rstudio.com. So this is basically an IDE. Let me just click on download. Then the next step will be here, R Studio Desktop. This is a free version. You can click on download here, and then it says install R 3.0.1 plus. So we have already installed 4.0 version, so it's fine. So here you have to click for Windows, and if you have Mac OS or something, you can find the details here. So after clicking on it, it will download. I've already downloaded, so I'll be just installing this thing. Open. Next, it will be starting. So basically R Studio is IDE, like integrated development environment, which actually includes a console where you can type up your code. It has an editor which is used for highlighting the syntax and stuff. It also supports direct code execution. So there are various tools actually here you can use for plotting, history, debugging, the workspace management. Yeah, so I think it's done. Finish. Yeah, so I think we're done. That's it then. So I hope you like this video, and all the best.